Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are going to retrieve the categories and display it. So for that purpose we will go to our home view model and we have to write the business logic for it to retrieve the categories from the database. So in the same way, just like we retrieve banners, we can retrieve the categories. So we will copy paste this method and we can give it name as retrieve categories from Firestore, and make sure that your collection name matches inside the database main collection name. Okay, the spellings must match with it. In case of categories, we get all the categories which we can access using query snapshot. One by one we run a for each loop and we will have our categories list. So once we get all the categories from the database which is accessible by query snapshot, we run a for each loop on those documents, and one by one each query document we get. For example, in case of categories, we will get the name of each category. So each category name we get from each document and we keep adding it to our category list. So for example, according to the current scenario, we have two categories, so the for each loop will run 2 times, and first it will get the first category name from the first document. This is the first document. It gets the first document name, or you can say the first category name, and it add it to this list. Then the for each loop runs for the second times, and the second document it gets, and from the second document it gets the name, that is, it gets the second document name, or you can say the second category name it gets, and it add it to this list, and then this method will return the categories list. So on our home screen we can now call it, that is, first we can create another list, and what we can do is we can simply call it just like this, that is, read categories from Firestore, and we have to assign it to the categories list, and then of course we can say set state for the categories list.